Welcome to another weekly market update. This is Sunday, July the 23rd, after the market closed on Friday the 21st. Here is, as always, where we look at the big picture of what the stock market is doing, as well as for your overall investments and just general life. It affects everything. You should be interested in what the stock market's doing, because most likely your pension's tied up in it. But then we also look at the short-term picture, which is trading for shorter-term things that we're doing. And in either case, we just want to be aligned with the trend. We want the wind in our sails. We don't want to be swimming upstream against the tide. So let's look at what's going on. And I think even a monkey could look at this picture here and say that the trend is most definitely up and has been that way almost pretty much for a good, over a year now, really. It started around here. And the system that I teach, which is basically, avoids bear markets and rides bull markets, pretty much got you out around there and then got you back in around here. So that system is proving very well. Got you out of the, albeit it was a small interruption there, could have turned into something worse, but then up she goes. And that's been looking great ever since. And in fact, it just looks like it appears to be, at the moment anyway, it's an indestructible stock market. It just goes up and up and up. And there's the short-term picture, which is that was, this is just the last 6 months here, day to day. Each of these little dots here is up and down, the day-to-day action. Not really seeing many signs of a top in just yet. We've had a new high again this week. Maybe a little bit of selling after that, but nothing too drastic. So all is well. Big picture, long term is definitely bullish, and short term the trend appears to be up. No evidence to say that's going to change. Let's look at some other things though. Let's try and see what's going on beneath the surface. So here's one thing that's the real economy, which is like the kind of retail sector, and the chart looks like that. And quite opposite here. You see that the real economy, the general public there. Evidently, in a downtrend, not spending much money at all. There's evidence of this everywhere. So, what's powering it? Is it other things? The infrastructure plans and so on, things like that remain. It all remains to be seen. But a lot of this is, I think, based on things that haven't happened yet. So as long as they do, then it'll all be fine. So, riding the uptrend, short term and long term, but. We're not afraid to push the eject button as and when things turn around, but there's no evidence of that just yet. So I'll speak to you next time.